Hello guys, today we are going to unbox the new Redmi Note 8 Pro. So after watching the video, please give a like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start the video. I have a cutter in my hand, so let's start the Literally guys, I have bought this mobile from the mi.com. Let's take out the mobile from the box. Good. So this is the box guys. The written here Redmi Note 8 Pro new version with a having a camera of 64 megapixel rear camera and let's try to open it. So here guys, we are going to open it, the Redmi Note 8 Pro. First, let us see inside what is there. Here is one cable and a charger coming with it. It's a fast charger of I think 18 watt with a cable end. So let us keep it aside. Let us first see the mobile. Let's see this, what is there inside. So it is some description of paper. Again with it came some back cover. Pretty cool. Let's keep it aside and let us go for the mobile. Oh, so it's cool. It has a front camera of I think 20 megapixel. It has a fingerprint sensor on it here and back camera of 4 camera with a 64 rear megapixel and OS of I think 9 Pi, Android 9 Pi. So guys, this is all for this video. Let us check for the looks of the mobile.
Straight.
For the looks.
Too fast. Slow.
Thank you guys, and on my next video I'm going to show you all the functions of the mobile. Thank you.